Had a problem yesterday, wouldn't start up. Checked the battery, all this had corrosion everywhere, cleaned it all up. Gas pressure was good. So got some starting fluid. Took the air intake off. Sprayed some starting fluid in the throttle. A little bit down here, and squirt a little bit in there. It'll fire up, and then it'll just die. So this morning, what I've done is I took this off, sprayed some starting fluid in there, and well, let you see for yourself. And it is raining right now. Grab my keys. So I'm gonna check it out. Fuel pump kicks on, everything kicks on, so boom. Just a little bit of starting fluid. That's all it took. Right here. So we're good. And it's raining bad, so